Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by selecting the layer that holds the unwanted keyframe. This gives you direct control. Once selected, tap the diamond icon or the keyframe button to reveal the keyframe timeline. Zoom in to about 200% so individual points are easy to tap. Make sure you view the correct property, like position or opacity, because keyframes are per parameter. This early precision saves time. If you skip it, you might delete the wrong frame and lose a subtle motion tweak. Now move the playhead until the keyframe marker aligns exactly where you need it. That ensures you remove the correct point. Once done, pinch to zoom and scroll horizontally to separate nearby keyframes. This is crucial for crowded timelines. Tap the specific keyframe once to select it. You'll see a visual highlight. If multiple keyframes are touching, nudge the playhead slightly left or right to target the one you want, because removing the wrong keyframe alters motion unexpectedly. With the keyframe selected, tap the trash icon or hit delete to remove it. Alight motion deletes single points instantly. After removal, play the clip to confirm smooth motion. Sometimes gaps create sudden jumps, so make sure the surrounding keyframes preserve the intended easing. If something looks off, undo immediately and tweak adjacent keyframes or redistribute timing. Troubleshooting tip: if animation snaps, restore the deleted keyframe from undo and use split selection to.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.